What's up, guys? Sorry about that. We're trying to trade a little bit of Quant Tower this evening. Still just trying to work on it. Let me. All right. Let's see, you got the 30-minute chart there. 1 minute. 2 minutes. So let's switch over to. Sorry about that. All right. All right. Let's check the. Around 55. All right. Boom, 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 boom. Let me switch. My headphone around real quick. Hopefully we can find us a nice little move during the power hour, guys. Looks like we're having a nice one right now, but let's kind of had to get things set up first. Target's probably going to be all the way down if it reruns the lows of this leg. And if we can get a little bit of more separation, I mean, we're getting a nice little push down. We'd like to see a little bit more separation to pull back up in there real quick. Nice. All right. See, the only thing I'm not a big fan of Quant Tower is I hate the movement of these EMA. Like if you're watching Ninja, they don't move. They pretty much stay still a lot longer. With the on this, you constantly see them move around. So I'm not really a big fan of that. All right, let me make sure all my stuff is working correctly. All right, do we got audio? Yeah, sounds good. All right, we got about 20 seconds left on this candle. Let's see here. Ten seconds left. All right, new candle. See, my entry is 97, 87. All right. Oh, come on now. You're right there at it. Man, just one tick this son of a bee. Make sure we are on minis. Yeah, I mean micros. So it looks like we're being this for 6 plus 5, so about $50 for this trade if it's a loser. It looks like it's going to be. Because our 20 and our 9 have gone kind of flat. All right. Oh, that's going to be dirty if it goes back down. So we're still up, what? Oh, wrong account. I'm sorry, we're looking at the wrong account here. We still in it. Well, we only got a minute left of this macro time. All right, fine. Let's see. We got stuff. We got it crossing over. The only thing is we're going to run a resistance at that 13, at that session mid there. Where's the ES at over here? So right now the ES is kind of, not the ES, but your 9 and 21 are just kind of flat at the moment. You know, 605 holds. That's your IBH there, or IBL, initial balance low. And you also have the VWAP sitting at the 64. Man, this stuff is just whipping right now. We still got about 15 minutes before usually we start getting any kind of movement on the ES. I mean the NASDAQ. Usually once we get that 230, then 350. Sorry if I keep saying the wrong time. It's just I'm in a different time zone than the New York. So about that 3:30 hour, we should start getting some movement. My IBL is sitting at 605. I don't have it on this chart. These are automatically put on there by indicator replica. And I have the indicator free if you like it. If you're using Ninja. I'll get it real quick, or I'll post it in there real quick in case you like to have it. All right. Now, as far as Quantower goes, I'm not really sure because I've just recently started using Quantower because I have started using Fast Track 2 on the side, and we're trying to get used to trading Quantower. So right now we're using Quantower on what is it called? Bulenox on this because we eventually want to get used to trading what is it called? Fast Track. But we don't want to trade those accounts because those are buy direct funding. And we've had a pretty good day actually trading this morning. So this account here, we're up 268 from earlier this morning. My other one, we're up 327. And the one count we traded funded, we're up 117. Oh, there it is. Well, oh, there it is. I'm sorry. 171. I'm sorry, 171. So basically what we've done is since we've already had a pretty positive day. So this evening we're going to be trading either 2 to 4 micros depending on the setup we get. But I'm just not used to this candle movement. It just looks so different to me because I'm so used to trading Ninja. So I got Ninja up on the side, just kind of watching it because it's just what I'm used to trading. Even though we're moving up, I will stay out of this as long as our 9 and 21 are flat. Because most of the time when your 9 and 21 are flat, you're getting barcoding. So notice how we're just barcoding sideways. And this indicator that if you want to get that replica, it's called the initial balance. Oh, the 611 above. Yeah, that would be nice trade there too, especially if we can get above this session mid here. Where's indicators at? Indicators. There it is. All right, so that indicator, if you like to have it, is called the initial balance here. And it was uploaded on 8/19 at 12:36. And that's this initial balance indicator here. So what it does for you is it puts the IBL, which is initial balance, low and high, opening range low and high also. So the opening, what candle we open it at here, this is where we open it at 608. And this was the close of the candle at 634. And it also puts the LBH on there for you too. So it's a nice little indicator. See, the big difference that what I don't like between Quantower and Ninja is I don't like the fact that the your 9 and 21 are just moving up and down. I like it more like stationary, like Ninja offers. Yeah, that IBL trade in, you know, low and high is actually a pretty good trade, you know, early morning. Do we try this long here? Ooh. These big wicks off of that 21 EMA. Let's see. Still got about 10 minutes before the 2:30 hour. 3:30, I'm sorry, 3:30. All right, so it looks like we want to curl back down. Really, or not sure if I'm saying anything. Who are you trading with? Are you trading Ninja? Or what prop firm you're trading with? Are you trading a live account? Wow, look at this nice little sell off here. Okay, so using Tradeovate and Trading View. Nice. What's up, William? How are you doing today? All I can say is about trading with anything, it just takes time. Yeah, just, you know, just start watching, you know, whatever kind of sparks your interest. There's so much information out there. Ponzi's got a new position. I started doing this in 22. I watched just like my last job before I started trying to do this full time. I would listen to trading like 10 hours a day from just anything and everything to try to learn as much as I can. I'm not saying all information is useful information, but a lot of times if you can learn enough information, you can take all that information and hopefully find something that works for you in trading, because most strategies will work if you can stay strict to the strategy. That's usually the key, strict to the strategy, because most of us and myself while streaming, I find myself over trading because I'm streaming. We're just looking for 5 points or 20 points. We're not looking for many, just because I'm just trying to get comfortable with using this quant tower. So I don't recommend really following these trades because I'm not in it very much risk. So the most I can lose is probably what, 20 bucks or 40 bucks at the most. 20 or 30, what's that? I'm into $4. Yeah, so about 40 bucks per trade. All right. We're here at 0 day. Let me make sure I'm on my account. I don't want to lose too much. We're still up 226 for the day. What is a 0 day over there blowing some stuff up, John Carter? So basically, like I said before, once our 9 and 21 are kind of flat, we start kind of barcoding sideways, or we end up in that the idiot box. Oh, you hear him through my mic. Oh, okay, I got it too loud. Yeah, I changed I changed the computers. I'm not using that other computer, so I got everything on my one. What about now? Let me make sure. You don't want to hear him blow some stuff up? I don't want to get a strike for copyright stuff. Did you get your Bulenox pass there? Zero, not zero. John Carter. So last night we tried to trade the opening and we started off red. But luckily we were able to get it back green today. But unfortunately we had to start like almost basically $200 in the hole. All right, so I think that 611 was been a nice little target there. We should get some resistance at 618. Or nothing. Holy crap. Oh, there we go. Just to say, we should get resistance at 618. There's the resistance. Wow, we popped through. Nope. There's our resistance at the 618. 628 should be our next target up. I just can't jump in though. I'm not really, I don't want to jump in at the top. We have to have a pullback for us to jump in. Next target, if the 28 is breaking, it's our 634. Is at the opening range high. So if anybody here is new to My Funded Futures right now, you can be all in for 46 bucks, which is actually a really good deal. You know, if you can pass it within that first month, you'll be all in. So we're at the 200. Let's see if the 200 is going to hold. And we hit that 634 on the target there. What's that 642? Oh, your target 642? If we can find support at the 634, maybe I may jump in with you. Next target up is going to be 648. All right, target. $7.29 by the end of the day. If I can get a pullback, we'll look for another entry here. And we'll try to add on to it and try to get a bigger trade. Jay's over there trying to blow it up on purpose, methodical man. All right. So there's that 148 target that we were talking about. Really need a nice little pullback before we really can enter. I mean, jumping in right here would be like kind of jumping in at the top. I really don't want to. Let's see. If we can get maybe a 2-candle pullback or something, I don't know. You got to have some kind of pullback. Nice. Well, is that 48 going to be a wall? Nice. Get above that. Hmm. Ah, dang it. Ah, I couldn't get my target moved up fast enough, man. I wouldn't pay, dude. I'm so new to this freaking this program that I didn't even get it moved up fast. I was trying to move it, but I didn't let off the button. Oh, you took the long at 611. Nice. I should have, but I didn't. It went so fast. I know you had mentioned it, but I prefer pullback to my entries. Oh my goodness, man! I was hoping I was going to target about the 670s since a methodical man said he was thinking 684. Ah, darn it. All right, so we're pulling back. We didn't quite get to my entry. I like to see a pullback into the 40s would be my ideal pullback here. Or right at that 48. We need that 48, 47 to hold. Nope. We got after the 2:30 hour. 3:30 hour, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, we definitely could get the retest of the 30s there. I'm thinking if anything, we get that opening range high at the 634s. Hmm. I mean, I feel like we're going to be moving up from here. This is a nice looking candle. We got a 2-candle pullback. Nice little green candle. I think this next candle is going to be the one. Let's see here if it holds up here. Oh. Not a big fan of all this right here. It kind of confuses the crap out of me. All right, we'll go to break even, close to it, and see if we can get our runner in. I'm looking for 270, 670 target. We've already got 5 points out of this. We went in with it with 4 micros. Come on, don't stop me out. Let's get my runner going. Dang it. Come on, stay, go. Somebody blow on it. Hit it with a stick. Well, my stop loss is already at break even, man. It's a free trade either way. Nope, there it goes. Dang it, it's going to come and get us. Oh no, why am I still in the trade? What the? Oh man, I don't understand this. One of my orders disappeared. How do you get it to come back, Methodical Man? All right, we'll take a little bit of we'll risk a little bit and see if it'll hold. I know. I don't even know why it disappeared. We'll risk 40 bucks on this trade. We made a little bit, so we'll risk a little bit. As long as the 20 holds up, we're still okay. Oh, come on, all right. We took a little bit more profit. If it don't get going pretty quick, we're just going to flatten it. I don't got a stop loss, man. That's the problem. It disappeared. Oh. See, I didn't know that. I thought it disappeared. It added one? Okay, we're just going to flatten. Oh my God, this stuff is crazy. Sorry about that, guys. We're still kind of new to Quant Tower. We're still just trying to figure things out. Okay, so that was the right way to do it. Okay. Okay. I thought I was adding another order. That's the why I closed it. All right, so that puts us up 330 for the day. So cash on hand, I guess I'm not sure if this is going to be my balance tomorrow or if this is going to be my balance. So maybe we can look for another little entry here off the 9 and 21 if we can get a deep enough pullback. Oh, 970 is the balance. Okay. Yeah, this is the one I need another $1,000 on. I'm up the 51,524. No, that's a 50K. Those 50Ks I started last week. No, the only 25Ks that I have with Bulenox is the funded accounts. All right, getting a nice little pullback here. All right, so if this gap can hold, it should be a nice long. We just need this fair value gap to hold. We're going to use the bottom of this gap as our stop loss. All right, there's our first target. All right, now we're going to go to break even. Ah, come on. Was hoping for a nice little runner out of that. All right. So let's see if this fair value gap's going to hold. No. Well, as long as the body stays on the other side of it, we're still good. Nope. All right. I mean, we're still finding support in those 40s. Don't drink the Kool-Aid, green Kool-Aid. Oh, you're short? Were you short off of this fair value gap here? Well, I mean, oh. We're just trying this with 2 micros, guys. So we're risking what, $28. All right, so that looks like that one's going to probably stop us out for a $28 loss. That's the only thing about trading with smaller risks. You really got to look for bigger targets. Oh, Murderbot in a minute. Okay. Yeah, I know. I almost want to try long for the death candle and see if we can push up to 700s. We got 30 seconds left. All right. All right, guys. You got about 15 seconds for the death candle. I tried to at least leave a runner, but couldn't get it in time. Let me look at. We still got what? About 8 seconds left on this candle here. Man, I was really thinking we we're going to be long. Wow, look at this crazy sell off right now. I'm hoping this is just a liquidity grab. Mm. Wow, is this going to be a straight push all the way back down? This huge wick. How's your days been, Ponzi? Shoot. A little wick test, maybe? Is that considered a wick test? Not really sure what that was. Man, that thing's just running stops, it looks like. Was that the 55? Yeah. I know. That's what I'm thinking. It's about to blow. I just don't want to jump in on this candle. See, why did that crap disappear? It makes no damn sense. I still don't understand why that disappears, me trying to move it up. Do you know how to get that back on there, Methodical Man? Is it the STP? I don't know. I don't understand. Nice. We got about 2 minutes left. I'm hoping we kind of jolt up really higher right there at the last couple minutes. Okay. That almost pushed us over 400 for the day, so we'll take it. That put it at 395 for the day. So I think that's going to probably be the last trade there of the day. Ain't no use. There ain't no use trying to push our luck. We got into quite a bit of entries there at the end. I'm really going to have to watch some more videos on Quantower because I'm still struggling using Quantower. We're just using it to try to get comfortable taking trades. All right. So this account, we're up 327, and these are 50K, so they're taking a little bit longer to pass. Then I don't think, did we take it? It's a different one. Then the fund, oh shoot, I can't even, I don't know, I have a hard time finding it. Oh, there it is. All right, the one count we took, a funded account that we took a trade on today, we're up 171. So it says cash on hand 25,373, balance is 25,521. So I think that'll be my balance for tomorrow, or cash on hand tomorrow. All right, let's see if Methodical Man's going to get that 729. I think he is. We're only about 29 points away. So if you want to continue watching, chatting, please like and subscribe. Big thanks to everybody watching. Oh, we got equal highs sitting up there. Ooh, you're right. We got all kind of equal highs sitting up there at the 30s. Maybe we'll jump back in on one micro and take it up there with you. Oh, you're out, man. I thought you were going to have the diamond hands to hold. Over here paper handing me. Come on, man. Not at their close. So it was a pretty good power hour. We got quite a few wins. A couple losers. Like I said, we're still having our struggling moments on Quantower. Where I don't understand is how my stop loss or take profit and stuff disappears. I don't know what's causing that. How do you put an order on the map, Methodical Man? Is it under bid? I'll call you. Okay. I'm going to turn my mic down. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching today, and we will be back at 9:15 Eastern time. Yeah, I'm going to. All right, guys. We will be talk to you guys tomorrow. Thank you, guys.